Cybertruck was humiliated by a Ram pickup truck up in Dune. A Tesla Cybertruck was defeated by Dodge Ram in the desert. The Dodge Ram tore through the sand. A Dodge Ram 1500 crushed Cybertruck on a desert hill and put on a show. Ram overtook Cybertruck in the sand dunes of Jordan. The Cybertruck had a substantial head start, and with its immense torque it started climbing up the steep desert hill, and the Ram 1500 started the race 4 seconds after the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is seen struggling to climb and running out of steam, and also the ridiculous amount of torque being delivered, leading to the electric pickup truck to keep spinning its wheels and struggling to bite into the sandy surface for traction. The Ram caught up with the Cybertruck nearly halfway by the time both reached the top of the hill. The Ram quickly overtook the Cybertruck and won the race.